Yellow bar. Add left parent student right parent.
Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to take a totally inaccessible, this happens to be a Google Slides. My student just happened to get this today. And I always tell students, please click in the middle of the slide because then if you move, you can move left and right, up and down. It's accessible. That is not. It has a, well, let me show you.
Preview horizontal text box. 1 of 3 to move through or expand.
Yep, it has a text box that says 1 of 3, but it won't even tell you what it is. Let's tab to the next
Add
one.
left parent student right parent dash out of the ashes dash Google Slides dash Microsoft Edge. Page 1 of 2 text box 2 of 3.
Yeah, so as you can tell, it doesn't tell you anything, unfortunately. So I'm going to show the visual person and the screen reader user. So top right-hand corner, Control Shift period is going to open this. You can click on that. I don't want to do that. I want to show the screen reader users how to do it too. So I'm going to come back down. I'm going to Control Shift period.
Control Shift period. Preview horizontal. Page 1 of 2 text box. 2 of 3 to move through or expand items. Use the Control Shift period. Preview horizontal. Page 1 of 2 text box. 2 of 3 to move through. Document content edit. Page 1 of 2 text box to move through. Control Shift period. Side pane is now showing Copilot. Microsoft Copilot colon your AI companion. Close Copilot pane button.
Okay, now I'm going to make sure my cursors are on so I can do E for edit. That's Insert Z.
Off. On.
And I'm always going to do caps lock semicolon also.
Virtual PC.
I'm going to hit E for edit.
Edit blank placeholder message Copilot or mention attack space main region edit blank placeholder TRANSCRIBE trans SLIDE slide 1 transcribe slide 1 enter edit blank placeholder message Copilot or mention attack type in text.
Okay. Now he is.
Here's the full text from star slide 1 of your presentation colon dash number slide 1 and dash star left quote out.
Okay, I'm just going to hush him up. I'm going to change my cursor because it probably went off. I'd love to be able to like an up arrow. I'm going to up arrow first.
Microsoft Copilot colon your AI companion.
See, it doesn't work. So insert Z on and caps lock semicolon on also.
Off. On. Virtual PC.
And now up
The
arrow.
solution. Then you've just read left Copilot said here's the edit in the page button to regenerate button menu. Copy message button.
Copy message button is what you want to do. So
Space Copilot said here's the full.
And now I'm going to Alt Tab.
Screen sharing Zoom work document 1 dash Word document 1. Pasted.
And paste it in. And you visual people immediately see it. All the content that was on slide 1 is right there. And it will ask you, would you like me to transcribe to? I'm going to tell you it will not do a good job, but you can try that on your own.
Add left parent student right parent dash.
Because I've already tried this. Okay, but you do have to F6 back, you screen reader.
F6 text box and text box type in text.
You want to page down.
Slide 2 colon.
Slide 2. You're going to Shift F6.
Shift F6 Microsoft Copilot colon your AI companion.
And you hit E for edit.
Edit blank placeholder message Copilot space edit blank placeholder TRANSCRIBE slide 2.
And of course, you non-screen reader users and just transcribers, this is
enter.
Just as easy for you, of course. Here we go.
Here's the full text from star slide 2 of your presentation colon dash dash.
I'm going to hush them up because I'm going to see if I can up arrow first.
Microsoft Copilot colon your AI companion.
Yeah, it doesn't work. I would love to have my cursor stay on all the time, but it just doesn't.
Off. On. Virtual PC.
Okay, so I'm just going to keep doing caps lock Z on, even if it says it's on, it's really not.
End. California hit wildfires. Copilot said edit in the page button to regenerate button menu copy message button.
Copy message button, space
Copilot said here's the full text from document 1 dash Word to move to an item. Pasted.
Paste. You can already see beautiful slide 2, Alt Tab back.
Add left parent student right parent dash out of the.
Okay, I'm going to F6.
F6 text box type in text off.
I'm going to hit page down.
Slide 3 colon.
There's slide 3, Shift F6.
Shift F6 Microsoft Copilot colon your AI companion copy message button to activate edit blank placeholder message space edit blank placeholder TRANSCRIBE SLIDE slide 3. Enter.
Okay.
Here's the full text from star slide 3.
I'm going to hush them up. I don't even mess around with it anymore. I just wanted you to see that just because you turn your cursor on doesn't mean it's still on. So just solve yourself a heartache and just do it again.
Off. On. Virtual PC.
And it does take both cursors.
Avery started a shared Avery's Copilot said here's the edit in the page button collab regenerate button copy message button.
Copy message.
Space Copilot said here's the full text document 1 dash Word to move to an item. Pasted page 2.
And you have Control Home.
Page 1 top. Here's the full text from slide 1 of your presentation called paste recovery paste op.
Go ahead and
escape edit.
Insert down arrow so you can listen to it if you're just a screen reader user.
Here's the full text from slide 1 of your presentation colon horizontal line shape 6.5 inches wide by 0.18 inches high in line with text. Slide 1 and dash left quote out of the ashes right quote December 2025 / January 2026 name colon problem and solution. You've just read left quote out of the ashes right quote. Now it's time to do this activity. Following exit list.
Let me tell you, if I try to go into the out of ashes, because of course this is all connected to the school, I can't get it. So, because it makes me use a special passcode that the teacher gave him for that day. And guess what? Student forgets it also. So here is the trick. Alt tab back.
Microsoft Copilot: your AI companion. Frame. Regenerate button menu.
You've read
Edit
it.
blank placeholder message code space add left parent student right parent dash out of the E L E A S E please G E T T E A R T I C L E Arctic F O R F O U T O F T A E A S A E S F O R B L I N D blind S E U D E N T student enter.
Here we go. Goes out into the web, goes finds it. I'd like to say he's going to talk to you all the time.
The full article text from Scholastic is copyrighted, so I can't provide it verbatim.
And he
Instead.
does. Okay, I'm going to turn my cursor on, both cursors.
Off. On. Virtual PC.
And up arrow to copy.
Scroll to bottom of January 20 news. News of the Ashes right quote the new Copilot sets the full edit in a page button collapse task top regenerate button copy message button.
Copy.
Space Copilot sets the full article text from document 1-word to move to a night.
So always double check it to make sure it's all there. So now it's time to do this activity.
Enter. A-E-R-E-S-S-A-N-A-C-C-E-S-S-I-B-L-E-X-V-E-R suggestion S-I-O-F O-F of O-U-T out O-F-of T-A-E-A-S-A-E-S.
Okay.
Ashes enter. Pasted page 2.
In. Now they have the content here. Now, if they have the code, that's great. But I didn't hear about this until after class, and then my student texted me and said, "Hey, this is totally inaccessible. You know, she needs to do it tonight," and I couldn't access it. But she can from her school computer if she wants to. But this does a really nice, yeah, the summary is linear, concise, and screen reader friendly, making it, yeah, it is. It is beautiful on that. Anyway, she'll get rid of all that fluffy stuff, and then she'll just read the out of ashes, and then she'll be able to answer all the questions. And then I always tell the students, email this right back to your teacher, and you're done. So
Add left parent student right.
Is how you change your life and get all that inaccessible work right in Edge. We just love, love, love that. And that is how you very quickly make the inaccessible accessible. And of course, your oldest students, teach them how to do this. So then, I mean, that's the whole point. You're teaching independence. So teach those students who have been with you and know those keyboard commands really well. Teach them how to do this themselves so they don't have to not do the work and then say, hey, I can't do this. I do want you to also notice that the Out of Ashes Scholastic News is right there, but I don't have the code, so it doesn't do me any good. But in Edge, visually, you can see it, it's the bottom. I'd have to up arrow about 5 more times and I'd go right to it. But once again, I don't have the code in order to get to it. That is how you make the totally inaccessible, especially Google Slides, accessible really quickly, and life gets wonderful. Okay, stay tuned for the next lesson. And over.
Context menu. Pause/stop recording. Stop recording.